Good afternoon and welcome to the TPM 4-Minute Friday, where we show you tips and techniques that will help your everyday tasks. My name is Dana Rice and I am the Civil 3D and InfraWorks Applications Engineer. And today I would like to talk to you about a common issue that is frequently seen in Civil 3D drawings. Okay? In my drawing file here, which looks like a typical Civil 3D drawing, you'll see that if I come over here to my tool space and begin to expand the objects, the tree view, you will see that my objects are poorly named. They're not named, actually. My surfaces are surface 1 and 2. My alignments are alignment 1 and 2. And then the profiles and profile views under them are variations of the same. This is not very practical at all. And where it really comes into play is if I were to create a corridor in this drawing. I can name my corridor, okay? Here's where the problem comes in, alignment and profile. Well, which one am I dealing with here? Alignment 1 or alignment 2? Same with my profile. Okay. My assemblies, even worse. I've got 4 assemblies in here, and you can tell that 2 of them are copies of the second assembly. How does this happen? This happens because people work very quickly and are not paying attention to the dialog boxes that pop up. For instance, if I were to click on Create Surface and just very quickly, breeze through here and click OK, my surface will be named Surface Next Counter. So Surface 3 in this case. All right. That is the case with, let me just pick something very quickly here. That is the case with most objects in Civil 3D. You'll see here with alignments. If I don't come in here and name this, the name, quote unquote, will be alignment with a number. Again, this happens when people are working too quickly and not paying attention, and the end result is a tree view of nameless objects. Compare that with a different drawing I have. It's basically the same drawing, only all of my surfaces are named, my alignments and their profiles and profile views are named, as well as my assemblies. So now in this drawing, if I were to create a corridor, alignment and profile, you can see that I can very quickly navigate to the alignment and the design profile and the assembly that I need, and my target surface, e.g. for existing ground. Okay? So just a quick little tip for you there, showing you a very prolific problem when working with Civil 3D and how you can fix it. Thank you for spending a bit of your time with TPM in our 4-Minute Friday. My name is Dana Rice, and I am the Civil 3D and InfraWorks Applications Engineer.